Here we've got OPPO Reno4 Z, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So at first, let's open your phone dialer. Let me go back from the keypad, tap on more icon then, which is this 3 dots one in the right upper corner, right here, and go to settings. And here you will notice block numbers, smoothly mark it, and you can either block all unknown colors. So once this indicator is active, you will not receive any calls or messages from unknown callers, but then you can also add some number manually. To do it, just click on add a phone number, and here you can smoothly enter. Okay, maybe not with that, and then tap on block. So from now on, this number will not be able to reach you. And whenever you would like to remove this number, your contact from your blacklist, tap on cross icon and click on unblock. So this is it. This is how you can block number in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.